Reverse kidney disease with a vegan diet. The vegan diet has shot up in popularity for its reported ability to boost health and protect you from a range of diseases. Exciting new evidence is showing that a vegan style of eating can help patients with kidney conditions, such as chronic kidney disease. In this video, we look at the evidence, and be sure to watch to the end, where we discuss a critical factor that you must take into consideration before starting the diet. What is the scientific evidence? The prestigious Clinical Journal of the American Society of Nephrology carried out a study entitled Plant-Based Diets in Chronic Kidney Disease. This comprehensive research looked at the diets of kidney patients to discover how they impacted their health outcomes. Quoting directly from the study, the lead researchers found that plant-based diets resulted in delaying the progress of kidney disease. Surprisingly, they also said that the consumption of fruits and vegetables may be associated with greater benefits in kidney function than supplements designed to achieve the same goals. This groundbreaking finding suggests that a plant-based diet is a more powerful intervention than supplements in protecting the kidneys. The scientists also concluded that a vegan diet has been associated with delaying dialysis. These findings leave little doubt about the power of plants to combat kidney disease. How exactly does a vegan diet help kidney patients? Medical researchers looking into this question have discovered 5 mechanisms by which a vegan diet can help kidney function. Consuming plant proteins rather than the animal variety has been shown to decrease the amount of protein in the urine. High levels of protein in the urine, known as proteinuria, is associated with compromised kidney function and a greater risk of diabetes and high blood pressure. Those with proteinuria have a reduction in life expectancy between 15 and 17 years. A plant diet has also been shown to slow the decline of your glomerular filtration rate. This is the speed at which tiny filters in the kidneys can remove waste from your blood. Your glomerular filtration rate is a critical test to check how well your kidneys are working. When filtration is compromised, it can result in damage to the kidneys. Consuming plant proteins results in less kidney tissue damage when compared to animal proteins. This is because animal protein can deliver an acidic load to the kidneys, increasing ammonia production, which in turn can result in damage to the sensitive kidney cells. Intake of plant protein does not have the same negative effects. Plant consumption has also been shown to reduce kidney cyst growth. These cysts can become infected and bleed, causing pain, fever, and blood in the urine. In such cases, they have to be removed surgically. Lastly, vegan diets are able to improve your lipid profile, which measures the amount of fat in the blood. This is important for those with kidney issues, as lipid accumulation in tissues contributes to organ injury through a process known as lipotoxicity. If you have any kind of kidney problem, then you need to keep your lipids low. A vegan diet will help you achieve this. Is there anything I need to be aware of before going on a vegan diet? Yes, there's a very important consideration you must take into account if you are on dialysis. People in the early stages of kidney disease are told to limit their protein intake, as excess protein puts a great deal of stress on the kidneys. However, dialysis patients need more of the nutrient due to protein loss during dialysis and increased bodily needs for protein. It is more difficult for those who do not eat meat to consume enough protein and keep potassium and phosphorus levels controlled without using a protein supplement. This is particularly true for vegans, as no eggs or milk products are consumed. So, if you are on dialysis and considering adopting a vegan diet, it is vitally important that your protein levels are checked and you take any required supplementation to ensure that you are not lacking. Conclusion: proper nutrition is extremely important when you have kidney disease. It allows you to maintain energy levels, fight infection, and prevent your condition from getting worse. Is it possible to maintain a vegan diet after being diagnosed with kidney disease? The answer is yes. It's not only safe, but has proven benefits for kidney patients. However, if you are on dialysis, be sure to check your protein levels. To make sure your vegan diet is as healthy as possible, consume mostly whole grains, fruits, vegetables, legumes such as beans, peas, and lentils, as well as healthy oils. You should avoid processed foods and limit refined grains such as white bread, white pasta, sugary cereals, and white rice. If you liked this video, please subscribe to Better Days, where we deliver fun and informative videos that help you become the best version of you. Till next time, have a great day!